Hello and welcome to another Tokyo unboxing video here on Boxed In. We call our unboxing shows. I'm Tom Corliss. With me is my assistant Lauren's here running the cameras and everything. She's going to be helping me out. And we have another box that Spencer has shipped. This is the first of another, I think we said we had 3 boxes last time, but it's piling up. More and more keep arriving. So we just have a continuing series of these. I'm afraid to even tell you how many more are left because they keep arriving every day. So what we're going to do, we're going to make sure my mic works this time. As always, it seems like it's working. And we're going to start unboxing stuff. Let's do it. I'm going to slide this over so we have room to see things. Okay, the first thing we have, it's a 2021 calendar from Tokyo Disney Resort. These are great because they have this plastic thing on the end. You don't have to tear off the previous months. They just tuck into here. This little thing is where you can hang it from. Very thoughtful, and we have all sorts of really fun stuff on the calendar. We have the New Year, we have Aladdin and Jasmine in Arabian Coast, we have Belle in her village, which just opened, of course, in Fantasyland last year. We actually have 35th anniversary artwork in April. 35th was a couple years ago, it was 2018. We have a resort liner bus. They're at the station at a. Well, not at a station, they're at the Ambassador. We have, the show from Disney Sea, A Song of Mirage. Zootopia characters, Mermaid Lagoon, Nighttime at Disney Sea. That's for the Disney Sea anniversary, 20 years this year. Halloween at the Country Bear Theater. Fall in American Waterfront, the New York area, and then Duffy and Mickey celebrating Christmas. So now that I've recapped all of that, we'll take a look at it again. You guys can actually see the art. Very cute. The art is stunning every month, and they're real big. This is why I buy this calendar every year. The art's just really pretty. These are great. This will hang in our office. We hang this every year in the office.
I'll actually open it.
Huh?
You'll actually
I do open it. It's a calendar. You don't ruin it by opening it. Oh boy.
Oh my god.
We have a hat. We have a ridiculous hat. Bonjour! You ever have a moment where you just like realize, you just ask yourself what you're doing with your life? This would be it for me. This is the moment. It is a hat with hand warmers. And it's funny because Lumiere's a candle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like higher quality than the Beauty and the Beast really, costume at
this would be nice and warm.
Studios.
It was called, what'd you say, it's nicer than the actual costume?
Yeah.
It's possible. This was like 35 bucks. That's pretty adorable. Pretty adorable. That was, of course, for the opening of the attraction. This is a tiny model of Tokyo Disneyland. I'm not going to pop this off because it's going to take 20 minutes to do. So I think, it's not the whole park. So it's the center of the park, but then also the Jubilation Parade, which I believe was for their 25th anniversary? Maybe 30th? I forget which one. No, that would be 25 Jubilation. So you may even recognize some floats if you're a Walt Disney World visitor. See Pinocchio with Monstro and Dumbo. That whole like circus unit that got recycled and sent over here for Festival of Fantasy. I think there's like moving elements. I think they'll like actually go around the castle. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know, but I'm not willing to open this right now, but this is cool. This I think was a sponsor gift from Docomo, who's the company that generally sponsors the parades at Disneyland. He got separated from his Caballero friends last time. We had Jose and Donald last time. Now we have Panchito, the the plush badge from the Donald 69th line.
How did he get separated?
I don't know. Spencer put him in a separate box because he's heartless. He separated the Caballeros.
It's okay, they're cardboard now.
It's a beast puppet. Bonjour.
I don't think he speaks French at all during the movie.
He's literally French. Yeah, they're all French.
I don't know.
It takes place in France.
Well, we know Belle is French, and we know Lumiere is definitely French, but
How
Adam?
could he not be French?
He doesn't have a French accent. He doesn't speak
She
French.
doesn't have a French accent either.
Yeah, but she lives in a French town. He just lives
So
in...
does he.
He lives in Magic Woods.
Magic Woods.
Magical Woods.
Wow. Okay. This is a Beast Pan puppet, but the fun thing about this... I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it.
Oh, that's so weird. That's so weird.
Oh man, you have to like poke the arms back through. This is complicated. All right, you get the idea. It... The face looks so bad. I'm not doing this correctly is the problem. If we had more time, I would spend more time stuffing the head correctly. So there we go. No, it's just not as good this way, I think.
Oh my god.
It's like plastic surgery Prince Adam. That's why
He has a tail.
yeah, the tail's sticking out. You can play with this to the point where it looks like a normal puppet, either in the human form or the beast form.
That's
or not.
very cool that it switches, but terrifying to watch it switch. That's like nightmare fuel.
I think this is one of the vintage finds. This is not a thing that you will find currently at the resort. I've been waiting a long time for this guy. So this, oh boy, try not to break it. It's 2 pieces. Yeah, that's the thing. This is CHANDU from Sinbad's Storybook Voyage at Disney Sea. And one of the things that happens in Japan is when the ride is new, they get a lot of merchandise. And then as the ride gets older, you don't really get merchandise anymore. Sometimes if it's popular enough, they kind of comes back. So there is CHANDU stuff available, but there was way more stuff when the ride reopened after they changed it into Sinbad's Storybook Voyage.
Ooh.
So this is a music box. It keeps popping out. It's 2 pieces, that's why.
CHANDU, my beloved.
I'm gonna try to pop this back in. There you go. Well, we should actually play it, right?
Oh, for sure.
Oh, he actually bobs up and down too. So what's cool is it plays the ride song written by Alan Menken. Compass of Your Heart. And this is something that actually happens when the ride pops out of the power.
That's
The room
very
also smells like that.
good or like chemically bananas.
A little chemically, but it has to be strong, right? So everyone smells it. Very cute. He's got all his bananas, and he's in a basket. Very cool. That's going to the special place at home. Oh, good. Food gifts.
Poor.
Easter plate. I'm not unwrapping. The Usapio on an Easter plate. The Easter that never happened, 2020.
Every box has had Easter stuff in it.
Well, because Easter didn't happen, and I thought it was cool to own stuff from an event that never happened.
No,
This-
like from like previous years too.
Oh yeah, maybe. Easter's a big deal there.
Really?
Easter goes from like March to June.
Are they?
They're not religious, no.
Oh, okay.
No, you can say that. That's not offensive.
Okay.
They're not, no, they're not. Yeah, they don't. I mean, they are religious. They don't celebrate real Easter. To them, it's just bunnies and chocolate, and like that's Easter.
That's very
They're
cute.
fascinated with American culture, so they've picked up Halloween and Easter. Through Disney, they've really adopted. Yeah.
I gotcha.
This is a postcard holder. It's just a box for postcards. Put your postcards in. It's themed to the new Dreams More Fun, which was all the new stuff, the new Fantasyland that opened. Yeah, not much more to say. It's a plastic box. I don't know what else to say about it. Autograph book with Minnie Mouse style pages. This almost looked like a postcard to me. That's why I thought it was a postcard
Very
book.
cute though.
And I will be honest, when I order these things, like it's in Japanese, I don't actually know what half of them are. I just think they're kind of cool. This is because they opened the Happy Ride with Baymax. This is a Baymax beaker cup mug.
Oh, that's cute.
So it's a glass beaker with Baymax on it.
Aww.
It says Tokyo Disney Resort. This is a Duffy and Friends full of heart plate that was sold with food, ceramic.
What's Gelatoni doing?
I'm fine. Trying to do the speed version of this today. Gelatoni's, they're all baking. because Cookie has arrived. This was like the Cookie arrival, Cookie Ann arrival stuff, so everyone's a baker.
Gotcha.
Including Stella Lou, who's the worst. Hate her.
Okay.
It says Duffy and Friend. This is a commemorative book they made for the Legend of Mythica.
That costume.
The costumes are cool. So it's full of big pictures of the show. I wish I could read Japanese, but alas, I am not capable of such things.
Not yet.
This was a great show. I never got to see it, but seen many videos. Everyone talks about it. Very popular. Not yet. I don't know if I have 12 years to devote to learning Japanese. Spencer's been there for a couple years now. He still doesn't speak fluently. It's a hard language, man. It's another 30th anniversary VINYLMATION. It's Mickey with a 1983 Tokyo Disney shopping bag.
Aww.
But he's in his original park costume, too.
His eyes look weird.
So cute. Yeah, it's a weird, like, almost pixelated style. It's kind of interesting. Oh, we got something from Universal.
Oh my word.
We have a Jaws mug.
That's so cute. I love that. It's got the little gills on the side. Jaws on the... Oh, the tail. Or the fin.
I think it's the fin.
The fin. Whatever.
Could be the tail.
That's
I think given its jaws, it's supposed to be the...
Yeah, no,
it
that
says
makes
Jaws on the inside. This is cool.
That's a good mug.
These are the New Dreams More Fun folders. There's one for the Fantasyland Forest Theater, which still hasn't opened. You see they have art on the back. The Enchanted Tale of Beauty and the Beast. The Happy Ride with BAYMAX. Mini style studio with Figaro popping out of the hat box.
Very
Heard of a Hatbox Ghost, never a Hatbox Figaro. More folders. We have the 19th anniversary of Disney Sea file folder. We talked about this stuff last time, so I won't get in too far in.
Is there just always a celebration happening?
I mean, sometimes there's anniversary merchandise that's not really a celebration, it's just merchandise
Oh.
to commemorate the day. They're not actually doing anything. This is a folder? This is a folder. Just says New Fantasyland, April 15, 2020. Obviously that didn't happen. Sadly, this one's kind of weird.
I like it.
It doesn't even have anything on the back. It's just this. I like it. It's just kind of, it's not their style. As you just saw, I just showed you a bunch of them. They're all usually a very particular style, right? Like this.
Yeah, like crazy.
Like this. This is great. This is that Donald's 69th birthday. Happy birthday to me, says Donald on this file folder. This is a thing for a child to eat off.
I'm sure an adult could eat off of it.
It's
if
real
they
big.
wanted
Usually
to.
their stuff like this is smaller. No, adults could eat off of it. Yeah, a sad adult named Tom Corliss could eat off of it. That's correct. This is actually the 30th anniversary one. This is the Mickey and His Happiness is Here costume. Yeah, they were all in this weird sort of pixelated art style. I don't know why. But he's with the 30th balloon. The Mickey balloon was sort of the thematic thing of this event. There's 83 Mickey. There's Disney Sea Mickey. And there's 30th Mickey
Nice.
on the top. And there he is in VINYLMATION form. This is never going to fit, but I feel the need to open this. We're going to open this.
What is it?
This is a Jaws face mask.
Oh, that's awesome. That's amazing. Look how their face masks like actually
It
work.
fits really well.
That's hilarious. Next time you go to Universal, you have to wear it.
I think I do. So we talked about this last time we did an unboxing. Various hotels have these special amenities and they change them for anniversaries. So this is the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel toothbrush kit from the 35th. It's a shame the box is all smushed, but that's cool nonetheless.
More mugs.
Like you don't know me.
I love mugs. I just get very excited.
I am pretty sure I have the world's largest Disney mug collection. I stand behind that. So this was likely the souvenir. This was the food souvenir one for New Dreams More Fun. So you have Mini Style Studio, which opened in Toontown. Happy Ride with Baymax opened in Tomorrowland. Enchanted Tale of Beauty and the Beast in Fantasyland. The Fantasyland Forest Theater, which still hasn't opened. They're getting close to having entertainment back. By the time you see this, they may even have entertainment back. At Tokyo.
Well, they have
parades and
parades, right?
Yeah, parades might come back. They were having like shorter parades.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
This is another New Dreams More Fun folder. This is the single file folder with all the stuff on it. All of that. Pretty colorful and fun. This is a Phantasmic Final Performance placemat.
I love Phantasmic.
Get out in front of this box.
They have Lion King in their Phantasmic.
Kind of.
Oh, okay. Spencer made a whole thing about how their Phantasmic is just so much better.
Yeah, he's wrong though.
Okay, cool.
This is a Spider-Man churro wrapper.
Yeah?
The Spider-Man churro wrapper from Universal in Japan.
What is their Spider-Man ride?
The same one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they opened later, that park. They opened after Islands of Adventure. There's an instruction manual to this parade thing. The floats do in fact spin around. This is a tiny flag with the New Dreams More Fun art on it. Obviously you've seen that art 500 times now. I'll have to show you that again. We have the 19th anniversary of Disney Sea can badge or button. Again, themed to the meet and greets in Lost River Delta with Mickey, Minnie, and Donald. We have the postcard for that as well. That's the truck with the Mickey idol sticking out of it. That's at the entrance to that, and some other props and stuff you'll find at that meet and greet at Disney Sea. And then, oh, this is pretty. This is the pin.
Cute.
Yeah. The greeting trails. There's one thing left in this box, and it is very big. I don't even know what this is.
It looks very fancy and official.
Oh boy. Let me handle this very gently. This is a grand opening plate. This is solid glass. Grand opening plate from Disney Sea. You see at the top. It has the date, September 4th, 2001. Real thick piece of glass. It's not really a plate as much as it is a glass sign. This is cool. I guess the Fab Four, and they're in front of all the different ports and Mount Prometheus.
That's super cool.
The fun thing is, I'll tell you, Spencer will spend some time looking for this older stuff on, you know, secondhand shopping apps, and generally pay way less than original retail for most of these things, which is why it's kind of fun.
Yeah.
Who wants to pay more than retail, right? But that's a pretty box. I mean, there's some marks on it, but that's a cool box. That's it, though. That's it for this edition of our Tokyo unboxing, but don't worry, as always, there's more boxes. So we'll see you next time. We'll open more stuff.
Would you like to send us something to unbox live on the air? Then send a package to WDWNT Boxed In, 6526 Old Brick Road, Suite 120-309, Windermere, Florida 34786. Please keep your package safe, clean, and appropriate.